Hello family, welcome back to this YouTube channel, and in case you don't know me, my name is Selena of Duty, and for new subscribers, you're welcome back to this family. So now I'm gonna be reviewing this Ugg shoe that has been trending on TikTok. It's called the Ugg, the Tasman brand. It's not only for, it's a walk shoe, but not just walk shoe. You can also wear this shoe anywhere. I think you can use the shoe anywhere, like you want to go. So I ordered some pair online, and I just got them. My order is here, so I am very excited in sharing with you this new Ugg Tasman shoe. So like on TikTok, it was trending Tasman nursing shoes, but it's not only nursing shoes. So for my nursing colleagues that are out there, for my healthcare professionals that are out there, you can wear this shoe anywhere. So it's just, I have been so much happy with this shoe so far. But you know what, just to let you know before I start this video, it's not being sponsored by Ugg. This is something that I like. I see other people wearing them, and I decided to order mine, and mine just came. And as a matter of fact, I ordered more than a pair. So this is a pair that I've been using before, and I'm going to be showing you the new pairs that I just ordered and just came off from the mail. So here it goes, my ladies. Okay, so here, so this is the new Ugg shoe. So yeah, because due to excitement, I just opened it. I was so excited, so I opened this this brand. So this is the one I ordered, and here you go. This is the shoe. Voila, 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 voila. Hey, just wait until I put this shoe on. So it comes, it's a two pair of shoe. Okay, let me put this box down. So this is the one pair, and I ordered, this is a size 10. You know what, you can get it in different colors. I have been using so many shoes to walk before, and this one Ugg shoe, but you guys know Ugg is a very reputable name brand that everybody knows, and they're so durable and they're so soft, ladies. Just you can see me wearing this shoe now. Look at it. Look at that shoe. It's nice, and the colors, it's vibrant. So you can get different colors of your choice. I know some of you might be saying, oh, this is so bright. You know what, I also ordered the black one. Wait until I show you the black one. So I ordered, this is a size 10. So you know what, this is so tricky, right? If you want to order this shoe, my size is a size 10. So what comes with this shoe, let me show you. So you can, this shoe comes with the socks. That's the good thing about this shoe. You don't even have to put on socks to to wear this shoe. So this is the socks. It's detachable from the shoe. So look at the socks. So you can even wear this shoe without the socks if you want it. Like my other shoe, because I ordered the wrong size. Actually, my size was, it's not, my size was supposed to be a size 9. So I ordered a size 9 for this pink one, but because my size is at size 9, I have to take out the socks just to wear that shoe comfortably. Otherwise, it's just wasn't working for me. So if you're a size 9 and you want to order this shoe, I would really suggest you order one size up. So I ordered the size 10, and this is the 10. So with the 10, I was able to like wear it comfortably with the socks inside. So yeah, this is what it is. It's so beautiful, you guys. Look at it. This is brand new, hasn't even been worn. So this is the socks. It's so nice, and it's so soft. So this is the first one, and so that's it. For some of you who might be thinking, well, that particular one is too bright and you want to order a darker one, I'm gonna show you this. This is the other one I ordered. This is how it comes. Hasn't even been opened, and I'm just gonna open it right here on the cameras. So you know what, I just go to, yeah, try to open the shoe box. How many of you have, you know, like a hard time opening boxes? I do. I'm one of them. I just, you know, I just rip them out where I'm not supposed to, you know. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I just rip them out, knowing fully well that I'm not going to be returning the shoes. So this is what it is. So this is how it comes. Here it is. Woo. It's so beautiful. Oh wow, look at the green ribbon, eh? They put on this shoe. Yeah, so yeah, it goes. So these shoes, if you're in North America, you can order them online on one of these apps. There's so many apps out there you can order. You can even order on their website, ugg.com. You can get these shoes from them, or you can also order them from the other app. Like there's so much app out there. X24. There's Versatile. There's Farfetch. You can order them from it. Okay. Yeah, so this is the black one. This is the black one. So the same thing like I showed you before. So it comes, yeah, this is the socks. So it comes with the socks, and here is the shoe. Very lightweight and very comfortable. Yeah, so this is both pairs. If you're thinking, okay, let me bring it out. Just put this down. So if you're thinking, well, I don't want something that is too bright, I rather order something that is soft. So this is something for you. And just in case, and if you want to be the light of the party, and you know, you can order this. So this is the dark one, this is the black one I ordered, and this is the other color I ordered. So yeah, just, you know, if you just want to show off and, you know, want to let people know, this is the most comfortable nursing shoes and work shoes. It doesn't matter your healthcare professionals, you're looking for shoes, or you work in the factory, anywhere you work, and you're looking for a comfortable shoe, I strongly recommend you order this shoe. This Ugg shoe can be ordered anywhere. If you're living anywhere in a part of the world, you can order them online, and it comes right to your door. Yes, so this is it. So just leave me a comment, and please do subscribe for more reviews. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.